Dayton Audio IO65XP outdoor Bluetooth speakers. Built-in amp, real bass, simple setup. You've tried portable Bluetooth speakers on your patio, but they sound thin and tinny in open air. You've looked at high-end outdoor systems, but the price tags and complexity scare you away. So you compromise, turning up the volume on a speaker that still doesn't fill the space, still doesn't sound full, still doesn't feel like real music. It's frustrating. Have you felt this exact disappointment during your last backyard gathering? Every outdoor dinner, every pool party, every quiet evening on the deck becomes a reminder of what you're missing. One friend told me he spent an entire Saturday running wires and configuring an amp, only to get weak sound that disappeared into the air. You've lost time researching systems. The stress builds. You know there must be a simpler way to get real outdoor sound without expensive, complicated setups. This is where the Dayton Audio IO65XP outdoor Bluetooth speaker pair enters, and the frustration ends. Don't just buy any outdoor speaker system. Make sure it has a built-in 80-watt amplifier, so you never suffer from weak, underpowered outdoor sound again. This system arrives as a complete pair with everything integrated: amplifier, Bluetooth receiver, weather-resistant enclosures, and wall mount brackets. One speaker powers both units, so you just mount them, connect one cable, plug into an outlet, and you're playing music. A neighbor installed his in under 30 minutes and immediately streamed his playlist. The bass surprised him so much he walked around the yard testing coverage. The 6.5-inch woofers with passive bass radiators deliver depth you can feel, not just hear, while the tweeters keep vocals clear, even across open spaces. The weather-resistant build handles rain, sun, and humidity without fading or failing. This sounds too simple. And here's the bonus nobody expects. The onboard volume and tone controls mean you adjust sound right at the speaker, not running inside to your phone. The Bluetooth 5.3 maintains a stable connection across typical patio distances without dropouts. Imagine your next outdoor event where sound just works. No setup stress, no weak bass, no complicated equipment. You walk outside, the speakers are already mounted, you tap connect on your phone, and rich, full music fills the deck within seconds. One reviewer wrote, "The bass is surprisingly deep for outdoor speakers at this price. My wife commented they sound like indoor speakers." Another noted, "After a year through all 4 seasons, they look and sound exactly the same as installation day." A leading audio publication confirmed the IO65XP punches well above its price point in output and bass response. Exceptional value for budget-conscious users. The system's simplicity means anyone can install it. Drill, mount, connect, plug in, done. The weather-resistant ABS enclosures resist UV fading and moisture without needing covers or seasonal removal. No external amp means no extra cost. You save hundreds compared to traditional outdoor setups requiring separate receivers and complex wiring. Which benefit matters most to you? The built-in amplification that eliminates equipment, the enhanced bass that fills open spaces, or the weather resistance that works year-round? The speakers handle everything from quiet background music to full-volume parties without distortion. One installer shared that clients consistently comment on how the IO65XP sounds better than systems costing 3 times more. The simple included controls, power, volume, source, put you in command without apps or menus. People are genuinely surprised by how professional it sounds. The Dayton Audio IO65XP outdoor Bluetooth speaker pair delivers the outdoor sound experience you've been looking for. Full bass, clear highs, simple setup, and weather-resistant reliability. It just works. Users report installations taking under an hour, with Bluetooth pairing happening instantly and connections staying stable throughout daily use. The combination of built-in amplification and true stereo creates the outdoor soundtrack your space deserves. These speakers are seeing growing interest as more people discover how much sound quality they gain without complicated setups. The link is available now. Transform how your outdoor space sounds today.
For demo videos and current pricing, Check the link in the description.